Are you tired of dealing with dandruff, flakes on your shoulders, an itchy scalp, and expensive shampoos that don't work? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll share 5 proven home remedies that will help you get rid of dandruff naturally. Stay till then because I'll also reveal a secret bonus tip that will help you prevent dandruff forever. Remedy number 1, coconut oil and lemon. Coconut oil nourishes the scalp while lemon fights dandruff-causing fungi. Here's how to use it. Take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Massage into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Then rinse with a mild shampoo. Do this twice a week, and you'll see the flakes disappear. Remedy number 2, aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer that soothes itchiness and fights dandruff. Simply extract fresh aloe vera gel from the plant. Apply it directly to your scalp. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then wash it off. Remedy number 3, apple cider vinegar rinse. Apple cider vinegar helps balance scalp pH and removes buildup. Here's how. Mix ½ cup of apple cider vinegar with ½ cup of water. After shampooing, pour it over your scalp. Leave for 5 minutes, then rinse with water. Remedy number 4, yogurt and honey mask. Yogurt contains probiotics that fight dandruff, while honey moisturizes the scalp. Take ½ cup of plain yogurt. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply to your scalp for 30 minutes before rinsing. Remedy number 5, neem leaves paste. Neem is a powerful antifungal that clears dandruff. Take a handful of neem leaves and blend into a paste. Apply for 30 minutes, then rinse with water. Besides these remedies, make sure you drink lots of water. Eat healthy fats and probiotics. Manage stress. Yes, stress can cause dandruff. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips.